So Jacob, I know you're new to ecom and you also have a high ticket dropshipping store. Prior to joining the Google Ads Ecom Academy, which you've been in for a couple months now, what were some of the things that you were struggling with?
Yeah, so obviously, like I said, I was new to ecom, so I never touched an ad account in my life. And I never done paid ads, really never touched laptops. Once I built the ecom store, I joined the Google Ads Academy and then just started from there. It's built for, like I said, everyone. It's built for amateurs. It's built for the best of the best. You're learning all the time. So, yeah, that's it, really.
You've been on quite the journey. I do remember it probably was about a year ago when you said to me, I've never really used a laptop, I'm not really too good with computers and things like that. And you've just proved that with consistency and just turning up every week, doing what you need to do and just working your way through it, that anything is possible. You've had a few nice high ticket sales and it's been really nice to kind of watch you on your journey. So I'm pleased to have been a part of that. Is there, I know you said you didn't have any specific knowledge at all. Is there anything in particular that joining the Google Ads Ecom Academy has helped you overcome, like sort of navigating Google or just your confidence inside of the platform and things like that?
Yeah, I mean, especially the calls, like I said on the call the other day, is learning from others that are doing it has like helped me so much because the people I don't realize probably far advanced from me, but still making the smaller mistakes that like amateurs would make. So I sort of learned a lot from the calls, and then obviously the videos, the classroom videos are just they're so in depth. I don't really have to ask that many questions because they're all answered in the videos. So yeah.
Definitely. I think the weekly Q&As are definitely helpful and they're there for everyone that needs them. You've been pretty good actually at turning up most weeks. So anytime you do have any questions, we're normally quite quick to solve them. What was it specifically then that made you join the Google Ads Ecom Academy? I guess maybe you kind of answered that at the start. You said you're new to ecom and you didn't have any Google experience and you needed somewhere to kind of learn. Is there anything specific that made the academy stand out to you that made you want to join?
Yeah, so like I spoke about it before, but it's when trying to find people, because I could talk to my friends about this, and they'd it'd probably just go over a lot of people's heads, and trying to find people that got the same mindset as you, or like trying to get into the same thing as you, and you can speak to them. I message people from the group that I've never met on like a direct message through Instagram now, so you're meeting new people, and it's yeah, I can ask them questions. They'll ask me questions, not even related to Google Ads, but because they're doing the same thing. And it's like Robbie wants to start the ecom, I can talk to him about that. And yeah, it's meeting new people and yeah, learning off them as well as yourself.
Yeah, so it's not even always just about Google Ads, but more just like the networking side of things and the community.
Yeah, so I've always like struggled with it because I don't, other than yourself, and I don't really know that many other people. So it's the community inside of it. I've met two people I've messaged that I've never met in my life. So
Yeah, it's amazing, really. And we've got people from all over the world. Robbie's obviously from South Africa. I think we've got a couple of people from Dubai. We've got someone from the US. I think we've got someone from Germany. So yeah, it's amazing what you can do with the internet, but all shared with that sort of
yeah.
common goal of learning Google Ads. So I think you kind of touched on a few of the things that you found most valuable there, like the weekly Q&As and the community side of things and the content. I was going to ask what you've found most valuable, but you kind of touched on all three of them. To someone who's maybe considering joining and thinking, oh, but it's $97, is it going to be worth it or anything like that? Or maybe someone that's on the fence. Is there anything that you would say to them?
Yeah, so before joining the ad group, obviously I looked about the prices compared to the ad group is ridiculous. Like you said, you get less for a gym membership. So the value you get out of these calls is people will charge you thousands and you're getting a weekly call, which could be up to even like £100, even higher. You're getting for $97. I don't know what that converts to our money. The value of money is, like I said, is people will charge you thousands for saying you get for $97. You don't get the one-to-one, but you get the weekly calls. Everyone gets their chance. It's not like people who are miles above you get to overtake you. Everyone gets their say. No questions too stupid. Like even setting it up, there's classrooms for it. You can ask about it. So yeah, the value for money is very good.
Well, I really appreciate the feedback. And yeah, like you say, there's no question that's too big or too small or too silly. We've all been there at one point or another. And chances are, if you're asking the question, someone else has also asked that question at some point. And that's what it's all about, really, just all helping each other. So really, really appreciate your feedback. What I would say as well is we've also got like a 7-day free trial. So if anyone does want to try that out whilst we still have the offer running, they also have the ability to do that if they're not quite sure whether or not they want to commit to that $97. I think it'd be about £75 depending on the the conversion rate.
People charging thousands, you're getting for 75 quid, which is just ridiculous.
Are you saying we should put the prices up? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm happy where it is.
Brilliant. Well, listen, mate, I really appreciate you joining me on the call. Really appreciate the feedback, and I'll see you on the Q&A tomorrow.
All right, yeah, no worries. Thank you very much.